Hi, what's going on YouTube? I'm Zishan Hormal back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to check Limo coin. So basically what is Limo coin and all related the links you will get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about the most trusted and reliable project. You should always do your own research before investing in any project, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zishan Hormal. So let's get started recording Lims coins. So basically you can see a Lims coin. What is Lims coins? Before in 1 week they also gain almost 5,000 community, and also if I look to this project, this project have too more potential. The token name is Limo coin swap and the symbol is LMC swap. And if you look to white paper, I'm discuss about the end of the video about white paper. And if you want to buy this one token, you must be use BSC address, because whenever we have to buy something on BSC network, that means we are not pay more fees for that. Because if you look to Ethereum, so Ethereum work on MetaMask, so that means whenever we have transfer Ethereum to MetaMask, then that time we have almost pay $17. After that we also pay a gas fees. So I highly recommend you must be take entry in this coin in the BSC network. So how can you take entry? I will show you at the end of this video, but right now make sure you buy the Limo coin, because these projects still have a lots of potential. Here we are on the website of Limstone. So you can see blockchain, it means blockchain BEP20 and ERC20. So BEP20 work on Ethereum, BEP20 work on PancakeSwap, and ERC20 work on MetaMask. So total supplies, also you can see this is a total supply of this LMC. Initially value is USDT1. And if you look to context, so context is in the strong and evolving African content. The various economic model make the beauty of the content considered about its future. Limestone Strip is a token created to allow by the principle of crypto assist. The evaluation of market solution is based on the strong community built in the 4 years by one of the subsidiaries of the parents company. You can see all detail about that. And if you look to, that means this is a very African content which are built a huge community. In upcoming time I will show you in the roadmap, because roadmap is so much important. What can they done in the past and what will be the planning of the future of this coin, so it is also too much important for that. After that, our vision means that we believe in a better world. So the energy of force activity crypto industry represent more than 750 billion with a daily transaction volume of over 133 billion every 24 hours. So it is also too much important for that, because they have active crypto industry represent more than, you can see this have more potential. This token have more potential. So also Africa has only one country out of the top 10 that constitute the volatility, and we can do better. It's a purpose market which at term of economic model can boast or performance like never before, and proper use a top of financial capacity if you know how to take advantages. So this is also too much important for that. And basically if you look to their goals, because their goal is too much important, you can see. Therefore, the parents company is a charge of LMC Smith Trucks Commercial and Broker LL Bank belongs. So you can see the goals of Limestone is too much better, because this is simply as a pioneer of decentralized finance in Africa. Our mission to be support state and nation in the process of properties. So they completely work on properties. They will be done simply completely do work on properties, and properties is too much important for that, because if any coin work on the out of the crypto, let's imagine out of the crypto, if any coin work with the properties or any business, physical business, so that means this coin have a more and more potential. So the goals of this the token is you can see in the process of properties, so property prospect properties. So this is also done by that. LimbSwap token at you can see also based on community of all you can see people around the world. It was high time to take to the next level and switch the private token into a public cryptocurrency. So this is also you can say you can also study about that token at this is a simply detail of the token. And if you look to thus in the order of to make accessible to all, and as its lamp level concept want it, the token goes on public sale with the initial value of USD1 for 3.65 billion LMC sweep created to that. So this is also too much important about that. And token distribution is also too much important. This is a 65% is development and 15% is team and 10% is marketing and 5% is charity and 5% is partnership. So charity means that they want to help with to others, and marketing you means what is mean by marketing, and team also get 15%, and development also present in 65% and 5% is partnership with others. So tokenomics charity and mine and program logged circulating supply, you can see there is a percentage of that. And team and advisor and development, you can directly connect with the cards. You can directly see what is the development, what is the team and advisor, what is the stacking, what is the percentage of circulating supply, what is the percentage of charity elementary program logged. So after that I just want to go to roadmap, because roadmap is too much important for that. At the end of it, I will be tell you directly about packages, because there's many packages. If you want to buy this one package, they will be give you more and more earning in the upcoming time. You must be hold, and I recommend it all for all of you. You must be taken in the small amount, because whenever we have to take another project, we have to discuss about another project, then you will be always take entry partially. You don't invest your portfolio in one coin or one token. So you can see project roadmap is project initiated, token created and ICO launching, listing on CMS, launching wallet, listing on public market and exchange worldwide, tour launching and merchant campaign. So this is a team of that, because you can see CEO and founder is Emil Refait CIMB, and you can see this is head of strategy development and invention, technical developer, communication director and vice general manager and trading manager at GITCA, logistic manager and technical development. So this is a team of this coin. So the double return investment plan, so this is main packages, the double return investment plan. So that means they have more and more packages. If you want to participate in that, they will be give you right now in you know what is mean by packages. Packages means that it will be less than the original price, such as the profitability of Lime package does not change, still 12% to 37% of staking reward depending on the chosen pack as well as its a business model. However, it order to guarantee stakers investment against the fluctuations in varying market rates profitably. We now will be evaluate a prediction of LimbSwap as shown in the below table. So you can see from here, you can see you can buy many type of packages. From here you can see there's a value of LMC swap profitably in 12 months. So you can see capital stacking reward after 12 months. So if you want to hold almost 200 LMC, then you can also profitably in 12 months. So you can see you also get it means you will be check 100% after 1 year. So if you look to staking reward after 12 months, so it is also all about 1005%. So it means it's too better for us, because if you want to simply buy this one token and hold for long term, so we will be get a more and more profit from this. The community in the stock market, the valuation of assist depending heavily on its user community. This is a limestone sweep community, you can see from here, and present in 1 to 5 countries around the world. More than you can see 4-year success, and the next step is to retest, means that the next step of this coin is too much retest, you must be taken entry in that. After that, if you look to the daily impact of commercial flow, so this is a daily impact of commercial flow. They also work on, you can see many work on with many companies. So if they are working with many companies, that means they have a more and more potential, you must be taken entry in that. And make sure please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Today with the LAM concept, the goal in the same on the larger scale and for more services and product in Africa and instantly. So welcome to the limestone swap. So if you want to swap, so I just want to I give you easy step for buying that. You can see from here, you simply copy this one address from here. You can see I just want to click on copy. After that, you must be open from here PancakeSwap. I'm just right now right here PancakeSwap. So if I write PancakeSwap, just you can click on that PancakeSwap. After that, you just simply on that, and after that we just wait for that. And if you look to, and you must know about that, every coin have over every coin have our own slippage, but right here you can select any type of leverage for that, because we can select any type because they don't recommend in any slippage for that. If I place this one address, after that you simply import that LMC. You can see LMC swap, and just I understood you must be or root this. Anyone can create a BEP20 token on BNC with any investment, including create a fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent project that do not have a token. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell. Means that if you are copy that type of address who are created any person, any local person, they don't have any main future, they don't have any main project, so they just simply create a token, and you will be, if you that important, you will be unable to sell that. After that, you can see I'm selected, and you can simply buy with the pair of BNB, and you must be connected to Trust Wallet. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to free of cost as a draft, so must be you join my Telegram channel. So thank you so much, thanks for watching, see you in next video.